And that is it, guys. If you did that, well done. It's a great little thing to do to warm up in the morning. It's going to be something positive ticked off at the very beginning of your day. It's going to make you feel good about yourself, and you're going to be able to go into the day with a good attitude. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to go through a 6-minute morning routine with you. You can do this as soon as you get out of bed. I've designed it to make the program less demanding on your muscles from the beginning, and then as we go up the 6 exercises, they're going to get harder and harder in order to wake you up, burn some calories, and get those muscles firing. So this is only going to be 6 minutes long, and if you're going to tell me that you don't have 6 to 10 minutes in your day to do this routine, then you need to get up 10 minutes earlier. So let's get started. It's going to be 6 minutes, nice and quick, and increasing in intensity as we get towards the end. Right, let's get up, do some running on the spot, some high knees. And start to wake up now, guys. Good, thanks. See you later. Good, should be getting nice and woken up now. Get those muscles moving, get the blood flowing. Good, well done. Couple more to go, then we're done. So next we're going to do star jumps. Woo! It's good. One more to go. Lunge jumps to finish. And that is it, guys. You did that, well done. It's great little things to do to warm up in the morning. Ideal for you to do every day. If you haven't got a little warm up morning routine, it's going to be a bit better than basic stretching, because you're going to get the blood flowing, you're going to get the muscles firing, you're going to get the body nicely warmed up, you're going to get your head in gear for the start of your working day, and it's going to be something positive ticked off at the very beginning of your day. It's going to make you feel good about yourself, and you're going to be able to go into the day with a good attitude. Anyway, guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Please give the video a like just underneath. Hit the like button. I do bring a new video out every Monday. So until next Monday, goodbye and good luck.